Step 1. Order your tickets by visiting virtualshellabration.org. Select your preferred ticket option and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Step 2. Tell your friends to join the fun by ordering their tickets and let everyone know you're attending by joining our event on Facebook. Don't forget to follow us on social media to see the latest Shellabration news. Step 3. Wait patiently to receive your access code during the week leading up to the event. All codes will be delivered via email. Our exclusive ticket holder area will not be available until the kickoff on December 5th. Step 4. As you wait, start stocking up on local shellfish and drinks of your choice. Visit virtualshellabration.org to view a list of local oyster growers that will be offering special deals just for our ticket holders. Step 5. Starting December 5th, you'll be able to access our exclusive ticket holder page, where you'll find special discounts, shucking tutorials, culinary demonstrations, and more as we celebrate all month long. Step 6. Ticket holders will also have a chance to win some special prizes by playing Shella Bingo from December 5th through December 31st. Step 7. Don't forget to support the CCE Marine program by doing some holiday shopping at our online marketplace. Visit backtothebays.org for more info. By Shellabrating with us this year, not only will you be enjoying the bounty of our bays, but helping to give back to our bays while supporting local businesses this holiday season. For more info, visit virtualshellabration.org.